Hey folks, Mike.Bassett, Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. First of all, I want to tell you about this little town. It's only a population of about 5,000 people, but we have 400 employees here. We're a destination dealership. We've got an RV park, we've got a restaurant, we've got service 7 days a week. Nobody does that. And what I want to show you today is this Torque toy hauler. It's a 325. It's a really cool floor plan. It's got a nice front end cap. It's actually divoted out here so you can have a really good turning radius for the back of your truck. Let's go around this side. I want to show you a couple things. So here's the slide outs on this side. It's got a 550 generator Onan, so you can operate everything on the coach. These are actually functional right here. They're a little flipper that when your slide out goes in, it'll flip the seals in the proper direction. And coming to the back here, toy haulers have a fuel station, and it's located right here, and it's obviously so you can fuel up all your quads or side-by-side, whatever you may have to put in the back of this. So the gas is filled right here. So this is going to be your patio side. It's always your patio. You got lots of storage under here. I like this feature right here. It doesn't have the little latches that a lot of RVs have. It's actually held up by magnets, so you're not going to pull that latch out. Lots of storage in here. And then these are called a slam latch. So it's very solid automotive feel. Your awning is automatic. There's an LED strip there, so it lights up your patio here. Just with a push of a button, the awning will come out. This is equipped with a weather guard, so it's a lot of really good insulation here in Oregon. If it's cold out or if it's hot out, it's going to protect the inside of your coach and just take care of you. So here's some steps. So it's got a galley slide out. So this is out right now, and when it comes in, it's going to come into the sink right here when you're going down the road. And then on the opposing side, there's a lot of nice windows, and your couch slide out. LED lights all up here, so it's backlit at night. Big pantry in this galley. TV up above over here. And then going back to your garage, it actually has a half bath in addition to the one up above. So when this gate is down, you've got an actual patio. These will fold out, and then these stairs right here will go to the back end of the coach. It's really a nice feature. It gives you that much more living room. So now we're going to go up and check the bedroom out. You can see it's got really nice big steps up here. The bathroom, big shower. Then I'm going to go up here. King size bed. This is a slide out here, and so when it's in, going down the road, it'll come into here, but it gives you a lot of closet room. Nice windows. You can get a breeze through here. And I appreciate you guys looking. Thanks.